Hey guys, welcome back to Coz3D, and today I have some great news for those of you who are in the market for a jetpack. And the reason I say this is because most of you follow us and know that we have designed a 3D printed Boba Fett jetpack, and we got out the Anovos jetpack, which is supposedly, and it's Duo Anovo or whatever it is now, the company, $600 retail. So it's a little pricey, but it has one advantage over what we had been doing up to this point. And the advantage is it is supposedly scanned off the screen used Boba jetpack. Well, I'm going to show you some footage, some side-by-side comparisons here in just a second, and you're going to find out that what we have and what they have are extremely similar. We've actually been breaking this kit down a little bit more, making sure that we dial in what we're doing to the millimeter, and we'll show you some stuff and let you be the judge. So our 17-inch wide kit is going to be available here on our Etsy store extremely soon. We have been putting this off simply because we want to make sure that we get it right. We want it exactly right. And it's been a challenge, and we're right there. So we're getting ready to release this on the Etsy store. We don't know what ours is going to retail yet, but I can promise you that it's going to be half of what the Duo Anovo pack is, and it's a great pack. Don't get me wrong. It clocks in, just the body, what you see right here, clocks in at 6.4 pounds. And that's not counting the thrusters, the rocket parts, and I'm talking, this weighs half a pound right here. It is heavy. And if you've ever cosplayed and you wear these around at a con, you know that the more you wear it, the heavier it gets. Now, our body, and you'll notice that we have some of our details are missing right here because they actually come separate so that you can paint them first, glue them on, and it just makes assembly really, and painting really easy. Ours clocks in at over a pound less than just the body part. And we even threw in some extra parts when we were weighing it, just for fun, just to see if we could come close. And I haven't weighed our total finished kit yet, so I don't know what it's gonna be, but if I had to guess, I'm gonna say it's gonna be around 6 pounds, give or take. And like I said, this is already starting, just this bulky part right here is starting at over 6 pounds. So we are considerably lighter, and we're really excited, and we hope you guys are too. Right now, if you go to the Etsy store and it's not available, you can message us. We can set up a special order for you. We're happy to do that, and we hope that you go out and get one of these because we're really proud of what we've done here. And we go for the screen accurate. That's the goal. And if it's not good enough for me to wear, then it's not good enough for you. And I am super excited to have this full-sized 17-inch wide kit. And I can't tell you how excited I am to get this baby on the workbench and start sanding it and painting it. So thanks for joining us today. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.